Stimulus check live updates. Welcome to my channel, please like this video. All Americans still hope for a fourth stimulus check, as states have come to the aid of their citizens by providing financial packages through a series of programs. This is because the federal stimulus controls have dried up, but thanks to the work of state governments there is a lot of financial support available, and our live blog this Friday, December 17th, describes our articles and guides on how to claim it. The virus continues to cause economic problems in the US and around the world, which is why governments organized financial payments which have come as a welcome relief to individuals and families. There are a few new stimulus checks, such as the $6,300 check for college students in Atlanta, while below we review the other benefits, just like the upcoming changes to COLA and Medicare. Kids tax credit updates, stimulus for kids. Most eligible families can afford half of their 2021 child discount money in advance due to changes in 2021 to the U.S. tax credit system for children. This money must come in before the other half of the amount that will arrive in 2022 during tax season, with each of these monthly payments coming on the 15th of the month. So on December 15th, another payment round has to be paid. That's next Wednesday. Anyway, a check on some of the finer aspects of the child tax credit can help you stay on top of where you stand. Kids tax credit highlights. After some confusion about the payment of child tax credit, the White House and the Treasury Department have partnered with Code for America to launch a new online website that will allow Americans to sign up for the comprehensive child tax credit system. Those who applied should have done so before October 15th, which is when the fourth check should start to be sent. Below you can see the latest updates on the child tax credit scheme that helps American families. IRS tax refund. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, continues to roll out several COVID-19 relief initiatives for those who took a hit during the pandemic, which will be a welcome respite for so many families. Happy as the unemployment benefits touted by the U.S. government are expected to hit the public in the coming days, and the links below should clarify some of the finer details regarding the IRS tax refunds. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic and limited resources, the IRS was forced to grant an extension tax return 2020, especially those that need to be revised. Individual delays in income tax refunds may be due to factors such as errors in completing said documents, incomplete information, or the need for further assessment by the relevant departments. Hopefully the list below sheds light on the details in this aspect. Medicare is the U.S. Department of Health's federal health insurance program for citizens age 65 or older, younger people with disabilities, and those with end-stage kidney disease. To sign up, you can go to any doctor or healthcare provider registered with Medicare. Unemployment benefits, December 2021. Federal unemployment benefits expired on September 6, 2021, and other states decided to end the advantages earlier than previously quoted, but others have found a solution by offering a WW extension. In the midst of the crisis, Congress is being urged by certain areas of American politics to come to the aid of citizens who unemployment benefits cut, which has affected more than 9.3 million people. Accurate and clear information is critical for U.S. citizens to understand what they are entitled to. Therefore, we have provided several updates on the situation in key areas of the aid packages. Adjustment of the cost of living, COLA. Cost of living adjustment, COLA, payments are part of the Social Security and Supplemental Income, SSI, benefits paid to approximately 70 million Americans. The amount received by eligible citizens is set to increase 5.9% in 2022, as increased payments to approximately 8 million SSI beneficiaries begin on December 30th. Fourth stimulus checks. Even though a fourth stimulus check of federal funds, state governments across the country are unlikely to come up with different ways to help their citizens. The aid provided varies from state to state, so the links below are there to help you find out what the current situation is in each region and when the aid is expected. Forms of aid provided to American families may vary based on each state's decision. Via the links below you can stay informed of the latest news about these payments and what you may be entitled to. As mentioned earlier, fourth stimulus checks may not continue at the federal level, but various state governments could very well lend a helping hand in one form or another. Other U.S. benefits. Another federal benefits program to keep an eye on is the Supplemental Security Income, SSI, program. It allows adults and children with disabilities or means below certain thresholds to receive monthly payments to help meet the basic needs of food, clothing and shelter. Another benefit program that is currently helping American families raise a little more money is Supplemental Nutritional Aid, SNAP. This is a federal nutrition program, also known as food stamps, that helps families pay for healthy food, which usually costs more. In some states, such as New York, these benefits will increase from a maximum of $680 to $835 in October 2021.